Welcome to Terrapin Agrada Presents Configuration Management Made Easy. A big topic of project management is configuration management. So what is a configuration that needs to be managed? Well, the dictionary says it's a relative arrangement of parts or elements as 1. Shape, 2. Contour of land, 3. Functional arrangement. Or B. Something as a figure, contour, pattern, or apparatus that results from a particular arrangement of parts or components. Well, in project terms, let's define configuration as the sum total of all your deliverables, the things you are creating on your project. For example, outputs, documentation, and reports. So if configuration is the sum total of all your deliverables, then configuration management is about managing all these things throughout the project lifecycle and possibly beyond. It's about knowing where all these things are at any one time, knowing what versions they're all on, knowing who has a copy of each of them, and knowing how each relates to the others, if at all. Still no? How about this? You recognize this as a picture of a puzzle. The configuration of this project is a 6-piece puzzle. Not 6 pieces of piece number 1, 6 unique pieces that make up the puzzle, the configuration. Configuration management, then, is about managing and tracking each of these pieces through their life cycle. Where it is, has it been started? Is it in development? Is it ready to be handed over to the users? Configuration management not only tracks each piece, but also tracks the relationships between the pieces. This is so that if you ever make a change to one of the pieces, you can understand if changes also need to be made to other pieces. In this example, we can use piece number 5, since it's a bit different. The other pieces are more uniform. A case could be made to change piece number 5 so that it matches the others better. However, if you did, you might notice that the puzzle no longer fits together. Puzzles are hard enough to complete as they are, so who would buy a puzzle that is known not to fit together? If you only looked at the impact of changing that one piece, you might be tempted to accommodate the change request as a minor change. But by looking at the relationships with the other pieces, you can tell right away that 3 of the 6 pieces would have to change. A full 1/2 of the project would need to change to accommodate this request. Now that might still be a viable option, but you need to know the scale before making that decision. And that's the benefit of configuration management. So to recap, configuration is the sum total of all your parts. Configuration management is managing those parts and their relationships. Click below to download a free Excel spreadsheet to use and reuse on your projects to help you track and manage your outputs, documentation, and reports. And to learn more about project management, click below to enroll in Terrapin Agrada's amazing project management online training course. Thanks for watching.